All right, guys, we're back at Cultus Lake. We're still here at Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're at hole number, what hole number are we in? Ma, I guess it's number 8, right?
Right.
And you won the last hole, so.
I'll go first.
Oh, where are you gonna go?
I have no idea.
All right, let's come down. It comes out in one of these. Oh my goodness. Let's sit you guys up and see what happens. All right. Here we go. What's gonna happen? Mama's hitting first. What's gonna happen? Oh my God, my goodness. Oh, what happened? Oh, you're over there. All right. Let's see what you think. All right, here we go. All again.
Look again. Feel it.
Come forward. Oh no. Oh, same one is positive. All right. Get the hell out of here. All right, Mom. Good work. Onto the 2. Range of 2. All right. There's a 2. We tired. Yeah. So Ma's still winning by 1 hole. On to the next one. Stay tuned. I thought I saw a bird go by.